On both sides and kind of grab it. Hope you can see that, grabbing it up so it kind of lays flat a little bit. And then just tying it so it gives you more volume. Luckily, I'm blessed with a lot of hair. I say that, luckily. And then, like in the style down here, just tie it and wrap it around.
Of course, the fabulous Miss Alika C. Thrash, naturally ACT. Not only is she naturally ACT, she's a photographer, she's a blogger, she's a Renaissance woman, okay? So if you would give them a round of applause.
Like, this is, like, it's not even cotton. I don't even know what the material is. And I learned the hard way that it was messing with my hair in the back. So that's why I put that silk scarf to just kind of help protect my hair under. So my hair is in a protective style under this, but then I'm protecting my hair under the wrap. Because the wrap is considered a protective style, especially in the winter time. But if you're putting it on a wrap or some type of mesh cap and it's sucking the moisture out of your hair, that's huge. And even, I'm gonna touch on it for a second, pillowcases. Like, pillowcases just suck everything out of your hair. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it affects your skin as well, especially if you're not washing your pillowcases as often as you're supposed to. So yes, protective styles when you're sleeping and using items like silk scarves are extremely helpful.
I only became a product junkie because I want to be able to give people the correct information, at least from my personal experience. I am an avid person of find what works for you and rock it until it doesn't and try something else. There are two main things, in my opinion, you need to know about your hair to be able to pick the right product. Number one is your porosity. And I'm gonna pass these things around in a second for you to see. But basically what porosity is how wide open your hair shaft is. So, and like I said, I'll pass this in a second. But there's normal, complex, and very porous hair. People with very porous hair, it's easy for moisture to get into your hair. So you don't have to use as heavy of products. But an example is it goes from like people with straight hair to open waves, to a wave, to a curl, to very curly, to coiled, to very coiled, to zigzag. And what's interesting about this is your hair, and the panels touched on this, and so has Sheena, your hair is going to change over the course of your life. As women, we have children, or we have children, go through menopause, some may have had some type of disease where it's taking out your hair. All those things are going to affect your hair over the course of time.